Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to show you the Wax and Wardrobe Club from Wix Wax. If you are not familiar with the Wix Wax Wax and Wardrobe subscription club, it's one of the many subscription clubs that you can get from Wix Wax. This one will include a t-shirt of the month and a candle set of the month. An 8-ounce candle comes with it as well. It would be $19.95 per month, and that's a $36.95 value that you get for that. So it's a really great value. Yeah. This is the shirt I got in the May box. I love it. I've worn it a ton. We've really enjoyed the candle that we got, and I love the t-shirt. And I can't wait to see what's in this one. Let's check it out. In the box, we have our tissue wrap package. Let's check out the candle first, and then we'll show you the t-shirt. T-shirt comes in a really pretty box. And, ooh, this is a lemon vanilla fragrance. Ooh. I love it. I love these little jars they come in.
I burnt it. I burned the last one, like, on my work at home days. Oh, and it made my room smell so good. Yep. And I loved it. This one's amazing.
The vanilla in this, the lemon is not overly pronounced in that, but it's got a wonderful fresh citrus flavor. Yes. And the vanilla, I love that.
Yes, this is
amazing. I cannot wait to burn that one.
Yes.
It feels really good. If you haven't checked out the video on the wax melts, do that as well, because we've been using the blueberry cheesecake and the hyacinth, the magnolia. We've been using the blueberry cheesecake melts in one part of the house and the magnolia in another part of the house, and they've been really fun. The t-shirt is also wrapped in a really nice tissue paper. Ooh. I did get a preview of this one. Amy posted a video on her Instagram of the box or the t-shirt for this month, and I love it. It's got a tooth, yum. And this is a very soft knit, and it says,
"Life is good."
It says "Life is good" on the front. I love this. This is another one for me, and it is a very, very soft knit.
Oh, it's so soft.
Yeah, I love this shirt. I have claimed this shirt and this shirt for my own. I'm not sharing with my sister. She's claimed the shirts we get from Shabby Lane so far, so we'll see how the subscriptions go, who gets what going forward. But so far, all the Wix Wax ones are 100% with Beth's name on them.
Yes,
so I love
like they're created just for her personality.
Yes, I love it. And the lemon
candle is amazing. Her candles, wax melt people, go sign up, subscribe.
These are, if we didn't mention it before, these are actually handmade candles.
Yes.
All the candles, all the wax melts, everything you get from Amy are handmade. She does the work. She does an amazing job. Check out her Instagram. Check out her website. I love these. I have 2 of the subscriptions that we paid for, and she sent me the wax melts to do a review on for you guys, which I've posted the video for as well. I'll link that below if you want to check it out. But this is one that I pay for, and I gladly pay for it. I love this. I love this box. Great value for the shirt and the candle for $19.95. Cannot beat that. Thank you guys so much for joining us on Beth Unboxes. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you for joining us on Beth Unboxes. From Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day. Bye. Bye-bye.